Hi guys, in this video we will talk about Second Anglo-Sikh War that happened in between 1848 to 1849. Okay, so it was one of the major conflict during the early period of Lord Dalhousie. So we know that Lord Dalhousie was in between 1848 to 1856 and 1844 से 48 के मिड में there was Henry Harding. Okay, so 1848 में ही ये लड़ाई स्टार्ट हो गई थी. So we can say that during the period of Henry Harding this started and it ended at the period of Dalhousie. Okay, so Second Anglo-Sikh War in 1848 to 49, which ended with the annexation of Punjab and the end of Sikh Kingdom. After the Treaty of Lahore, Sir Henry Lawrence was appointed at the Lahore दरबार. हमें पता है कि ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर कब हुई थी? 1845 से 46 के बीच में जो वॉर हुआ था आपका सिख और इंग्लिश के बीच में, तो उसमें ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर साइन हुई थी. उसमें जो है बहुत ज़्यादा टेरिटरीज आपकी ब्रिटिश ने ले ली थी पंजाब से. ठीक है, सो after the Treaty of Lahore, what happened that Sir Henry Lawrence was appointed at the Lahore Darbar to control the policy. हमें पता है एज अ ब्रिटिश रीजेंट जो है सर हेनरी लॉरेंस को अपॉइंट किया गया था पहले फर्स्ट एंग्लो सिख वॉर के बाद में जब ट्रीटी ऑफ लाहौर साइन हुई थी. सो ही लेफ्ट इंग्लैंड ड्यू टू सम डिजीज एंड इन हिज प्लेस अ लॉयर नेम्ड सर फ्रेडरिक कुरी वाज अपॉइंटेड at the Lahore Darbar. So Lawrence went back to England and at the place of Henry Lawrence, Currie was appointed. So you can say Henry Lawrence replaced by Currie. Okay. So Henry Lawrence की जगह फ्रेडरिक कुरी को अपॉइंट किया गया लाहौर दरबार में. और फ्रेडरिक कुरी was a legalist and a Puritan who asked the somewhat independent governor of Multan, Diwan Mulraj, to pay arrears of the taxes. So Mulraj was governor of Multan. ओके, सो मुलराज को और ज़्यादा अरियर्स और रेवेन्यूज पे करने के लिए बोला किसने? फ्रेडरिक कुरी ने. लेकिन मुलराज वाज काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ esteemed person and he was like why should I pay you more and you have already taken an next Punjab and you're like forcing yourself to us. So he revolted and he attacked and wounded the officers, British officers that were placed at his place. Okay, so these wounded officers were saved by some people but the angry mob killed them. So riots हो गए वहाँ पे और वो British officials को मार डाला गया. But the small army of Mulraj was defeated. Then British attacked Mulraj again and Mulraj was defeated. There was a rebellion and this was the trigger for the longer war that was fought between 1848 to 49. So Mulraj was at the Multan who revolted, and in Hazara Chhatar Singh Atariwala revolted. So these two brave people, Mulraj at Multan and Chhatar Singh Atariwala near Lahore in Hazara, they both revolted and British fought different wars in between 1848 to 1849 with these two professional, you can say these two governors. Okay, so at Hazari Chhatar Singh Atariwala was the governor and at Multan Mulraj was the governor. And one thing is important that Henry Lawrence was replaced by Currie and this war is happening in the time of Frederick Currie as a British regent. ठीक है, तो अब इसका outcome क्या निकला? What was the conclusion of this war? So the whole of Punjab was annexed on 29th March 1849. Okay, and Rani Jind Kaur was imprisoned. पहले उनको पेंशन दे रहे थे और उनकी जगह आपके लॉरेंस को रीजेंट बना दिया था, लेकिन अब उनको पेंशन देना तो दूर, उनको जेल में डाल दिया गया और उनके 11-year old महाराजा दलीप सिंह जो उनके पुत्र थे उनको एब्डक्ट कर लिया ब्रिटिश ने. एंड द कोहिनूर डायमंड वाज आल्सो टेकन फ्रॉम हिम एंड a few years later he was later sent to England and was retired on pension. Who? The Frederick Lawrence, what was the name? Frederick Currie, who was the British regent at that time there. ठीक है, now Punjab was under the British and the Maharaja Dalip Singh was abducted by British officials and he was taken to Kanpur, right? And after being taken to Kanpur, he was never allowed to go back to Punjab or to meet his mother. But when he attained almost 40 years or something, then he was allowed to take his mother along with him and to stay with his mother, and he was never allowed to go back to Punjab. And a few years later he was sorry, now Punjab was under the British. This was a major success under Lord Dalhousie, who not only subdued the rebellions in the region but also annexed the large territories to the British India. In next few years he had problems with the eastern neighbor Burma. So Anglo-Burmese war तब हम देखेंगे. So अभी ये जो लड़ाई लड़ी गई तो लॉर्ड हार्डिंग के टाइम पे लड़ी गई और ख़त्म हुई डलहौजी के टाइम पे, और प्लस डलहौजी ने यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन किया और रिबेलियंस को क्रश किया, मतलब ब्रिटिश के पक्ष में. और बेसिकली दिस वाज द एंड ऑफ दिस वॉर एंड फाइनली पंजाब वाज completely de facto ruled by British now, and there was no representative of Sikhs there in Punjab now, no leader, because Dalip Singh was abducted when he was a kid and Jind Kaur was imprisoned. So this was all about Second Anglo-Sikh War. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this video helped you to understand the Second Anglo-Sikh War. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, keep supporting.